One of the differences, but main differences, Dolly, the trocar. Can you see the dark black line on the trocar? This is the center or pivot point around which the trocar rotates on the tummy of the patient. So what happens that it rotates at that point and it is least traumatic at that point. Can you see that here are the special these are the special points at which this instrument gets fitted on the robotic arm, and that's why they are very expensive. They are tailor made and they have a memory life. The life of each instrument is counted, which comes on the screen, and once that life is over, now that means that how many number of time that instrument can be used, and once that is over, we have to replace it.
This is the Da Vinci robot. This is the patient heart, which is the forearms. Only have put the sterile drapes on each of the arms. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4 arms. This will get attached to the patient. And now this is their identity, and these are the controls in the lens by which we move. And can you see the range of movements? This is the difference between the laparoscopy and the robotic. We can move the instruments in any direction. We can move it like this, right side, left side, then up, down. And as we then move our hands, the instruments will move inside. Then there are the foot pedals for detail and coagulation. This is the camera control. And when I move inside from here, then I can see inside the camera and we can see inside the tummy of the patient from this view. And I don't need to get scrubbed for this, and I can get up, I can walk around, so it is very patient friendly. Once the part is attached to the patient, the ports are inserted.
So now we are putting the ports inside. So how to put the port inside? Because these instruments are little bigger, we have to go little higher than the normal laparoscopic approach. So the first camera port is inserted around 2 to 3 finger above the umbilicus, and the side ports are inserted 10 centimeter away on each side from the camera port. And then the robot is advanced and the robotic arms are attached to the ports. There are special buttons on the robotic arm which help in easy maneuverability of the robotic arm. Now we can see we are inside, and there is a uterus which was enlarged to around 8-week size uterus. On the side there are tubes, ovaries, and this lady has previous cesareans. We are cutting the ovarian ligament right now. We are coagulating and cutting the ovarian ligament. So first of all, bilateral tubo-ovarian ligaments are coagulated and cut. Can you see the precision with which the arms can move and the degree of rotation of the scissors? So it makes it very easy to approach. And I'm sitting on the console, and the movement of my hands through the endo-wrist controls is transmitted onto the robotic arms. Contralateral.
Who knows Dr. Preeti Jindal since the year 2013-14. I have always been regular with her health checkups, and I really rely on her for any problem I face, and she's always available to take our calls, to respond to our messages. So abhi I faced problem, I think on 4th September को. I had so excessive bleeding कि वो stop ही नहीं हो रही थी, और इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि clots, big clots आ रहे थे. You could not, nobody can imagine कि इतनी ज़्यादा कैसे हो रही थी. So then in fact I called up. I had seen Preeti Jindal का ना ऐसे एक दिन search करी तो Facebook पे she's doing robotic surgery. So then I called up Preeti. So then she said, you come to me. If you're facing such a great problem, you come to me. I went to her और जैसे वी वेंट ऑन थर्सडे को मैं गई हूँ, तो देन आई टोल्ड हर एंड देन शी डिड माई अल्ट्रासाउंड एंड देयर वाज chaos in the uterus and everything. So then she decided that let's go in for, we will have to go in for surgery. So she gave us the options, but and since robotic is a very safe, and I found it ki when we have this opportunity and our apna doctor is doing it, so why worry? So then वो कर दिया, we went ahead with the plan, and on Friday we decided, we got all the tests done. Saturday I got admitted, Sunday was my surgery, and today is Monday. I am sitting here and telling you about my journey. So ठीक है, मेरे को एनेस्थीसिया, मैं तो रात को भी कह रही थी नर्सेस को कि 4 o'clock उठा के मुझे चला दो, but they were scared कि doctor will come and then tell you. But I find when you are with Dr. Preeti Jindal, you are in safe hands. And any problem, I think, and robotic is a very advanced technique. I found it very nice, and that is why I am sitting here and giving you my sharing my journey with you.